Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best skull cooking pan is probably one of the most unique and conversation-starting pieces of cookware you can add to your kitchen, offering a fun and thematic way to prepare your favorite meals while adding a touch of personality to your culinary adventures. Imagine flipping pancakes shaped like skulls or searing steaks with a spooky, yet stylish, impression. This pan isn't just about cooking, it's about making a statement and bringing an element of playful gothic charm to your everyday cooking experience, ensuring every meal is a memorable occasion. Number 5. Tovolo Zombie Ice Pop Mold Set. Create 4 unique zombie ice pops with detailed undead faces and bodies. These molds turn ordinary treats into spooky Halloween fun. Reusable zombie leg-shaped sticks complete each frozen creature. The skeleton handles add extra Halloween flair to your creations. Our sturdy base prevents wobbling in the freezer. Convenient side handles make carrying simple for perfect pops every time. Mix juices, yogurt, smoothies, or ice cream to create custom pops. Each mold has a 2.64 fluid ounce capacity for endless fun. Premium BPA-free silicone allows effortless removal. They are also dishwasher safe, making cleanup simple. Transform regular ingredients into frightening pops with intricate undead details. They are perfect for Halloween decorations and treats. For different zombie designs with tattered pants and skeleton sticks create fully formed undead creatures. They are perfect for parties and celebrations. What we like. Unleash some undead fun with these zombie-shaped ice pop molds. They come with spooky skeleton sticks for an extra touch of Halloween flair. If you love creating themed treats for parties or just want to add some ghoulish delight to your frozen desserts, these are perfect for you. What people say. The skull design is unique and a great conversation starter. It cooks evenly and is easy to clean, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. The non-stick surface works well, preventing food from sticking and simplifying the cooking process. Number 4. Nordic Ware Haunted Skull Cakelet Pan. Get ready for Halloween with this unique baking pan. It's designed to create perfectly detailed skull-shaped cakes for a ghoulishly delightful treat. Crafted from durable cast aluminum, this pan ensures your cakes come out with the most crisp and intricate details. Its superior heat conductivity guarantees controlled, even browning every time. Enjoy baking without the hassle. The non-stick interior guarantees effortless release of your baked goods and makes cleanup a breeze. Proudly American-made since 1946, this piece is built to last a lifetime. It's an heirloom quality item designed for years of use in your home kitchen. This pan features 6 cavities with a total capacity of 5 cups, perfect for making a batch of spooky skull cakes for your Halloween table. Achieve the most crisp and intricate cake details possible thanks to its genuine bundt pan construction. It's ideal for creating impressive holiday treats. What we like. Achieve the most crisp and intricate cake details with this durable cast aluminum pan. Its superior heat conductivity ensures even browning for your baked goods. If you're looking for heirloom quality bakeware that delivers stunning results and will last a lifetime, this is an excellent choice for creating memorable Halloween treats. What people say. The skull cooking pan is a unique and eye-catching addition to any kitchen. It's perfect for making fun-shaped pancakes or omelets. The non-stick surface makes cooking and cleaning a breeze. Number 3. OTOTO Skully Basting Brush. Meet Skully, your new favorite kitchen companion. This unique brush is designed to make your culinary adventures more exciting and flavorful. Coating your delicious meals and desserts with marinades or sauces has never been easier. It ensures the perfect amount every time. Crafted from BPA-free, odor-repelling, and clump-free silicone, this brush is as practical as it is fun. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for your convenience. Its innovative design makes coating meats and pastries a breeze. Achieve all your cooking and baking goals with this single, versatile tool. Looking for a unique kitchen gadget? This brush is an absolute gem, ready to give every dish a delightful flavor boost. At OTOTO, we believe in adding a quirky twist to everyday chores. Our products are designed to bring joy and fun into your home. What we like. Add a touch of gothic charm to your kitchen with this skull-shaped basting brush. Its silicone bristles are designed to repel odors and remain clump-free, making cleanup a breeze. If you appreciate unique and functional kitchen gadgets with a spooky twist, this brush is a fun and practical addition to your culinary adventures. What people say. This pan is perfect for making skull-shaped pancakes, waffles, and even mini cakes. The non-stick surface makes it incredibly easy to release the baked goods without any sticking or tearing. The even heat distribution ensures that your creations come out perfectly golden brown every time. Number 2. HUAKENER 2-pack Skull Cake Pan. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade silicone, this baking mold is BPA-free and eco-friendly. It's safe for use in your microwave, oven, freezer, and dishwasher, with a temperature range from -40 to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Each mold features 6 distinct skull designs, including wizard, Christmas, pirate, pilot, magician, and primal styles. These cool, detailed designs will make your baked goods incredibly attractive. Use this versatile mold to create mousse cakes, bread, puddings, chocolate bombs, ice cream cakes, and more, perfect for Halloween parties. You'll get clear, detailed results every time you bake. Beyond baking, these molds are also perfect for resin, candles, or soap. Personalize your own skull crafts for Halloween, Christmas, birthdays, and other celebrations. This set includes 2 non-stick skull molds, making them easy to release and clean. Enjoy effortless baking and crafting with these convenient tools. What we like. Create a variety of uniquely detailed skull-shaped cakes, desserts, or even crafts with these versatile molds. Made from food-grade silicone, they are safe for use in ovens, microwaves, and freezers. If you enjoy experimenting with different designs and need a reliable mold for both baking and DIY projects, these offer great value and creative possibilities. What people say. The skull shape is very unique and makes for a fun presentation. It's non-stick and easy to clean, which is a huge plus for cooking. The pan heats evenly, ensuring food is cooked thoroughly without hot spots. Number 1. 2-pack 6-cavity Halloween Skull Cake Pan Silicone Mold. Get ready to create spooky and delicious treats with our unique skull-shaped silicone molds. Perfect for Halloween parties and adding a touch of fun to any occasion. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade silicone, these molds are safe for all your culinary creations. They are incredibly easy to release and clean, and can withstand temperatures from -40 to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Explore a variety of Halloween-themed skull styles, from wizards to pirates. Bake cakes, chocolates, candies, or even handmade soaps with these versatile molds. Each mold creates perfectly sized skull cavities, ideal for individual desserts or creative crafts. They are designed to impress your guests with their fabulous flavor and fun shapes. These molds aren't just for baking. Use them for DIY clay handicrafts, hot chocolate bombs, resin projects, and so much more. Let your creativity run wild. Enjoy ultimate convenience with molds that are compatible with your oven, freezer, microwave, and dishwasher. Cleanup is a breeze. What we like. Bake up a storm with these large-capacity skull molds, featuring 6 different Halloween-themed styles. Made from high-quality, pinch-test-passed silicone, they ensure easy release and cleaning. If you're hosting a Halloween party and want to make a big impression with fun-shaped cakes, chocolates, or even DIY crafts, these molds are ideal for creating a memorable spread. What people say. The skull design is unique and a great conversation starter. It cooks evenly and is easy to clean, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. The non-stick surface works well, preventing food from sticking and simplifying the cooking process. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.